Good morning everyone. In today's class we are going to solve a sum where the given question is expand 48 the whole cube. So they have given only 48 the whole cube. So we want to expand and write. How we can write 48? 50 minus 2 how much? 48, right? So I am going to write 48 as 50 minus 2 the whole cube. So now I have written 48 the whole cube as what? 50 minus 2 the whole cube. So we want to compare this with the algebraic identity, first formula or the second formula. 50 minus 2 the whole cube. So this is looking similar like the second formula, right? So I am going to write comparing 50 minus 2 the whole cube with a minus b the whole cube. I am going to write the formula in this orange color chalk. Okay, is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, now in the place of a we have what? A is equal to 50, comma, in the place of b we have 2, so b is equal to 2. The next step is equal to a cube means 50 whole power cube minus 3 into a square means 50 whole square into 2 plus 3 into a what? 50 into b means 2 whole square minus b cube is 2 whole power 3. Okay, the next step I am going to write in full form 50 into 50 into 50 minus 3 into 50 whole square means 50 into 50 into 2 plus 3 into 50 into 2 into 2 minus 2 whole cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So the next step is equal to 50 into 50, 2500. So 2500 into 50, 1,25,000. So 1,25,000 minus 50 into 50, 2500, right? So 2500 into 3, 7500. So 7500 into 2, 15,000. So 15,000 plus 50 into 3 how much? 150. So 150 into 2 2s are 4, right? So 150 into 4 how much? 600. So 600 minus 2 into 2 4. 4 2s are 8. So 8. So here no variables is found. So we can add and minus. Okay. So the next step is equal to 1,25,000 minus 15,000 how much? 1,10,000 plus 600 minus 8, 592. Okay, the next step is we have to add this. So 1,10,592. So this is the answer for 48 the whole cube by using the formula a minus b the whole cube.